All right, guys. So we've got two truths and one lie today. So you're going to use your math skills. I'm going to make this bigger so you guys can see it. Remember, you can always make it bigger on your screen too if that helps you as well. It says use your math skills to determine which of these statements below is a dirty lie. Explain how you made your decision. So we're going to use a Flipgrid to explain our decision, but we have that the pizza equals 7.5. The slice of pizza with the soda equals 3 1/4. And the pizza delivery car equals 6 2/3. So my first thing that I'm going to be looking at is down here on this number line. I'm going to be looking to see if I think that everything is placed appropriately on the number line. So I'm looking down here and I see that my number line starts at 3 and ends at 8, which would be true for all of these numbers. I'm looking to see my whole numbers, and it looks like all of them are in the correct band of numbers that they need to be in. But then I'm going to need to look at my fractions. So if I look at my slice of my pizza slice is 7.5 right there between the 7 and the 8. Is 3 1/4 going to be right there next to the 3? And would 6 2/3 be right there between the 6 and the 7? So that's something that you're going to have to look at and decide. Down here, number 2, I'm going to change the color so you guys can see it a little bit better. Number 2 says that the pizza delivery car, so 6 2/3, plus the pizza slice and the soda, which is 3 1/4, is less than 7.5. So I'm going to have to add those two together. If I need to add my 2/3 and my 1/4, I'm going to do that off to the side here. 2/3 and 1/4. I know that these are not like denominators, but I know that in order to make them like, I could think about what I could multiply both of them by to make them equal. And I know that 12 is a factor of both 3 and 4. So if I wanted to make 2/3 something twelfths, I would multiply the bottom by 4. Therefore, I would have to multiply my top by 4. So 2 groups of 4 would be equal to 8. And then I have on this side, I would have to multiply the bottom by 3. So I would also have to multiply the top by 3. And 1 group of 3 would be equal to 3. So then if I think about 8/12 plus 3/12, that would be 8, 9, 10, 11. So I'd have 11/12. So over here, I would have 9 and 11/12. Is that less than 7 1/2? Is 7 1/2 greater than 9 and 11/12? Something to think about. And then the last one says 10 3/4 is equal to pizza slice, soda, and the pizza. So I would have to do 7 1/2 plus 3 1/4. So same thing I kind of did over here. I'm going to do it at the bottom. I need to change my 1/2 to fourths. So in order to do that, I would multiply the top by 2, meaning I would also multiply the bottom by 2. So I'd also multiply my numerator by 2, and I would get 2. So 1/2 is equal to 2/4. So I would have 7 1/2, or 7 2/4. Sorry. That looks bad. We'll fix that. 7 2/4 plus 3 1/4. And I would need to add those two together. See what I get. See if I get 10 3/4. So I want to know which statement is the dirty lie. I can't wait to see all your awesome thinking on Flipgrid. And remember, I wrote on here, you can use all of this work that I just wrote down on this computer screen. You can use that in your justification. You could use all of the work that you have to describe why you know that one is the dirty lie. I can't wait to see all your awesome thoughts about my dirty pizza lie.